Nutrition for weight management. Welcome to today's video where we will explore the essential aspects of nutrition for effective weight management. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds, maintain your current weight, or simply improve your overall health, understanding how nutrition plays a role is crucial. In this video, we will cover topics such as: what are the best foods to eat for weight loss? How many calories should you eat per day? How can you increase your metabolism? How can you avoid unhealthy food cravings? How can you make sustainable changes to your diet? We will also provide some tips on how to incorporate healthy eating habits into your daily life. Topic 1. What are the best foods to eat for weight loss? There are a few things to keep in mind when choosing foods for weight loss. First, you want to choose foods that are low in calories but high in nutrients. This means choosing whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Whole foods are unprocessed and contain all of their original nutrients. They are a good source of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Unprocessed foods are also lower in calories than processed foods. This is because they are not loaded with added sugar, unhealthy fats, and sodium. Topic 2. How many calories should you eat per day? The number of calories you need to eat per day depends on your individual factors such as age, sex, height, and activity level. A good starting point is to eat 500 calories less than your maintenance calories per day. Your maintenance calories are the number of calories you need to eat to maintain your current weight. You can calculate your maintenance calories using an online calculator. Topic 3. How can you increase your metabolism? Your metabolism is the rate at which your body burns calories. There are a few things you can do to increase your metabolism. Exercise regularly. Exercise is one of the best ways to increase your metabolism. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet that is low in calories and high in nutrients can help to boost your metabolism. Get enough sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the hormone ghrelin, which makes you feel hungry. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Manage stress. Stress can lead to unhealthy eating habits and weight gain. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, yoga, or meditation. Topic 4. How can you avoid unhealthy food cravings? Food cravings are a common challenge for people trying to lose weight. Here are a few tips to help you avoid unhealthy food cravings. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Eat regular meals and snacks to avoid getting too hungry. Choose healthy snacks like fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods. Find healthy ways to cope with stress. Topic 5. How can you make sustainable changes to your diet? Making sustainable changes to your diet is the key to long-term weight loss success. Here are a few tips. Make small changes to your diet that you can stick with over time. Set realistic goals and don't get discouraged if you have setbacks. Find healthy eating habits that you enjoy and that fit. Conclusion. In summary, mastering nutrition is a fundamental aspect of effective weight management. By understanding the basics of nutrition, making mindful food choices, and incorporating healthy habits into your daily life, you can achieve your weight management goals and improve your overall well-being.